So we're out here at Big Wave Bay today on Central Island in Hong Kong, and Kez is going to try to teach us to surf. This is day 7. It's so sunny today!
At the very start, hands on each other, couldn't stand to be far apart. Closer the better. Now we're picking fights and slamming doors, magnifying all our flaws, and I wonder why, wonder what for, why we keep coming back for more. Is it just our bodies? Are we both losing our minds? Is the only reason
I was trying to eat some on the escalator right up.
I saw that.
do we need somebody just to feel like we're alright? Is the only reason you're holding me tonight? 'Cause we're scared to be lonely.
I've never seen a bus line this long in my life. Check it out. The still queuing for this bus, and the hunger set in. So Em's already eaten her lunch, and now still chugging down his. 3 hours later, and we finally got on the bus. Whoa! It was like 40 minutes.
Losing track of us. Where was the real? Undefined, smiling out of touch. Forgot how it feels. All the messed up fights and slamming doors. Magnify, you know.
Okay, so Kez is going to teach us to surf today. And my board is the giant pink one over there.
And I wonder why, wonder what for, why we keep coming back for more. Is it just our bodies? Are we both losing our minds? Is the only reason you're holding me tonight?
What's the
'Cause
line?
we're scared to be lonely. Do we need somebody just to feel like we're alright? Is the only reason you're holding me tonight? 'Cause we're scared to be lonely.
Where are you going to stand on the board? Like in the middle of it?
Yeah.
Even when we know it's wrong, there's somebody better for us all along. Tell me, how can we keep holding on tonight? 'Cause we're scared to be lonely. Even when we know it's wrong, there's somebody better for us all along. Tell me, how can we keep holding on tonight? 'Cause we're scared to be lonely.
So, an update. Tamsin almost just stood up. I saw her do that.
Yeah, but then nosedived horrifically and went flying off the front of a board. And Nelson is sitting a little bit too far forward, didn't even get a start.
Because it's looking pretty chilled.
Is it good?
Yeah, we can. Oh, we know.
How was it, Nelson?
Fucking awesome.
It was so cool.
So fun.
Okay, so we just got out of the water, and that was the freaking coolest thing ever. It was so awesome. I stood up like twice, and now Em's gone and hired a board, and she's gonna jump too. We're going back again. It was the coolest thing I've ever done. I'm moving to Australia. Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna be a surf mum. It's gonna be great. Look, so cute.
So we're about to go in and we're gonna be professional
excited.
as. We're gonna be so good.
Yeah, I mean we stood up like 3 times. I'm basically a pro now.
So I think it's safe to say that I don't have a career in surfing, but that was so fun.
Is it just our bodies? Are we both losing our minds? Is the only reason you're holding me?
So we just dropped our boards back and we are so totally knackered. I feel like I drowned about 12 times today.
So I learned how to surf today. I don't have anything to sell that's worth any money, but I'm gonna somehow get to Australia and become a surfing bum. Dude, so fun.
Look guys, Nelson and I are friends today. It wasn't just me vlogging on my own. Ryan, Carrie, T-Storm, Kez, and HENESEY!
What up?
Nelson is waiting in the mother of all lines for a bus. Okay.
If this life's not forever, at least we are together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone.
I don't know about that.
So this is how these crazies entertain themselves in the longest bus line we've ever seen.
Thanks for the heck, thank you for the bullfrogs, jump from the thing.
Can't believe how into it you guys are getting.
Side by side, curve, block, 1, 2, 3, 4. Frogs jump from the thank you with ease.
You're intense.
East side, west side, curve, block, 1, 2,
So tense.
Oh my
Make
gosh.
it hit thumbs up there. So this is how it happens. When I sing the song and you get to 4, it's like arm wrestling. You try to pull them into crossed position. Whoever's in cross position loses. East side, west side, curve, plop. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull. Oh. Is it yeah, keep going.
Here we go, boys. Dig deep. Go on.
What are we watching?
Okay, we're rolling. Alright, so there's a new installment in my weekly vlog series. We'll be doing interviews with some of the local legends here in Hong Kong. So my first guest will be the Brendan Hennessy, all around badass. So let's just get things started off here, right, Brendan? How does it feel to be a living legend, just doing this thing here in Hong Kong?
Well, you know, thanks for having me on the show, Nelson.
My pleasure, yeah.
It's pretty
Learned how to surf today, right? First time
First time on the board.
First time on the board. What'd you think about Big Wave Bay?
Big Wave Bay, beautiful.
Brendan was the only person there with red hair.
Easy to spot.
Well, that's pretty much the norm here in Hong Kong. He has red hair. I have
Taller than most people.
Taller than most people, so together we make it. Never mind. Moving on. So, well, there you have it, fans. As always, be sure to subscribe to my vlog if you're stoked about it. All right, Brendan. Thanks for showing up, man. We really appreciate it. Yeah, it's a pleasure.
Finally made it on a bus.
Anywhere, whenever, up, pursuit together.
Just practicing surfing on the MTL.
Here we go. So practice. Okay, now up, all at once. No knees next time.
Okay, so we can't figure out the best way to get home, so we've decided to split up and race.
Causeway Bay and trying to get a bus that'll take us to Side Cup over here. The others are going to get off on our next stop, take the MTR, and then take the bus to Side Cup.
It's a real race. We're gonna win.
Team hung out, got Ains, Kez, and NELSE. And we got this.
We're walking normal.
We'll be watching. Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wait.
You watch. Go.
Team hung out. Let's do this.
Boys, we're gonna run it.
Yeah, of course we're gonna do that. God, Team hung out is so intense. These kids are running on an escalator. I don't know if I can keep up with it. Okay, so the rule was made that you can't run. So clearly, as soon as we got out of view, we ran. I'm dying. To the bus station, we're kind of low-key exhausted.
I feel good about our chances right now.
Guys, what do we even get if we win?
The pride.
Eternal glory.
Yeah.
Eternal glory?
Yes.
Wanna feel,
So we ran 24 minutes and 51 seconds.
Whoa! Of course, we also did that without running once.
is this nice enough
I love your overtime.